This week we invited agents to discover the Indian Ocean and Middle East at our Connect events. 130 agents attended across London, Birmingham and Manchester. Suppliers included Address Hotels and Resorts, Dubai Holding Entertainment, Visit Jordan and Dennis Private Island. Agents and suppliers tucked into some good food before jumping into engaging meetings. Some lucky agents even won amazing prizes, including a 7-night stay in Mauritius and a Seychelles gift set. Don't forget to sign up to our next event. We can't wait to see you there.